Have you accidentally deleted an important file or folder on your PC, and it's been permanently deleted? Don't worry, I'm going to show you how to recover your files step by step using some simple Windows tools. But before we jump into recovery tools, let's quickly check two common places where your files might still be hiding. First up, the Recycle bin. Go to the Start menu, search for Recycle bin, and open it. Now, carefully check if your deleted files are still inside. If they are, you're lucky. You can simply right-click and restore them. If they aren't there, let's check File History. Again, open the Start menu, search for Control Panel, and open it. At the top right, set View by To category. Click on System and Security, then File History. If File History was turned on before, you might be able to recover older versions of your files from here. Still no luck? No worries. Now it's time to use the Windows File Recovery tool. First, open the Microsoft Store and search for Windows File Recovery. Install the tool by clicking Get, and once it's installed, search for it again from the Start menu and open it. This tool works via command line. But don't worry, I'll guide you. There are two main modes you can use. One is regular mode, best for recently deleted files, and the other is extensive mode, for files that have been deleted for a while, but this takes a bit longer. Here's a simple example. Command you can type winfar c:\d:/regular. Here, c: is the drive where your files were deleted from, and D is the drive where you want to save the recovered files. Remember, the recovery destination must always be a different drive. You can also add a filter using /n if you're looking for a specific folder or file type. For example, winfar c:/d:/n /photos \*JPG. Once you type your command, press Enter and confirm by pressing Y when prompted. Let the scan finish, and then head to your D drive to check the recovered files inside the created folders. And if you prefer something with a friendlier interface, try Recuva, a free recovery tool from CCleaner. Just go to ccleaner.com/Recuva, download and install Recuva. Launch the app and follow the wizard. It's really easy. Select the file type you want to recover, or pick all files if you're not sure. Choose the location where your file was deleted from. Then, start the scan. If the first scan doesn't find your file, try enabling Deep Scan for a more thorough search. It takes longer but finds more files. And that's it. Using these tools, you should be able to recover your deleted files or folders.